In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send transfer money from GCash to AUB. If you've ever needed to move funds from your GCash wallet to a bank account at Asia United Bank, also known as AUB, this walkthrough will make it simple and stress-free. We'll go step by step, keeping everything clear and easy to follow so you can complete your transfer with confidence. Start by opening the GCash app on your phone. Give it a second to load and make sure your internet connection is stable and that your GCash balance is enough to cover the amount you plan to send, plus any applicable fees. Once you're on the GCash home screen, look for the transfer option and tap it. This is where GCash handles bank transfers. Next, tap Local. This directs you to transfers for local Philippine banks. In the search bar, type Asia United Bank. You might also see it listed as AUB. When it appears in the results, tap it to open the transfer form for that bank. You'll now be asked to enter the amount you want to send. Type in your desired amount carefully, keeping in mind your available balance and any daily limits your account may have. Below that, you'll need the recipient's bank details. Enter the account name exactly as it appears on the bank's records, and then enter the AUB account number. Take a moment to double-check both entries. Even a small typo in the name or number can cause delays or send funds to the wrong account, so accuracy here is very important. When everything looks correct, tap Send Money. GCash will typically show a summary of your transaction details. Use this moment to review the amount, the recipient's account name, and the account number once more. If something doesn't look right, go back and fix it before proceeding. If everything is accurate, tap Pay to finalize the transfer. After tapping Pay, wait for the confirmation screen. You should see a success message along with a reference number. It's a good idea to save a screenshot or note that reference number for your records. Depending on your settings, you may also receive a text or in-app notification confirming the transaction. And that's it. You've successfully sent money from GCash to AUB. If a transfer doesn't go through, check your internet connection. Make sure your balance covers the amount and any fees and confirm the recipient details. Try again once everything is in order. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you complete your bank transfer quickly and confidently.